Children living with long-term health conditions, they can experience very intense feelings of isolation, of being different. Between 11 and 12% of children in this country are living with a long-term health condition. Helium Arts is the National Children's Arts and Health Organisation. Our professional artists are present in the waiting areas of outpatients hospitals, where they provide distraction and relaxation through very simple everyday activities. We then offer also community arts programme in the community close to family homes in Cork, Limerick and Galway and surrounding counties. We remove the barriers to participation. We have a medic in the room, a paramedic. The parent can leave their child at our workshops with complete peace of mind. Some of the outcomes that we can see and parents report that there's a 90% increase in well-being in their children, a 100% increase in their creativity. And when we ask parents after their programs, what difference has this made in their children's life, often we hear over and over again is that these children have met a friend.
I have worked with Helium Arts for almost now 2 years and a half. I think that this has helped chronic patients to understand and give them a different positive feedback about going to the hospital, because a lot of them will actually come and we're really interested because what is the new thing that I'm going to do now that I am in the waiting room?
Ruth was born with a hole in her spine, so she required spinal surgery when she was about a week old. In recent years, she's had a lot of pain. That's been quite isolating for her.
Well, I've always been very interested in art and all things creative. There wasn't much for people with disabilities that I was able to do, or much art really, because there was more sport than art, which I wasn't very interested in.
We were at an outpatient clinic in Cork University Hospital a couple of years ago, and we saw an advert and flyers for Helium Arts.
Helium Arts has been just an amazing experience, and it has definitely impacted my confidence in my art and what I create, and I've definitely been more social. Definitely when I leave school I want to do something artistic, like something creative as a career.
Definitely seen a change in Ruth when she comes out of the workshops. She has like a bit of an art high kind of after the workshops. I talked to one of the artists after one of the early workshops that she was at, and they said they talked about how everyone was feeling at the end if they could name it in one word, and Ruth's word was free.
Social Entrepreneurs Ireland Changing Ireland Accelerator Programme is going to be a huge benefit to us. At present, we are delivering in 4 hospitals around the country. We want to increase that to 8, growing our team of artists from about 25 to 30, and growing our employee team from 15 up to 25. Apart from the professional supports the Social Entrepreneurs Ireland provide, crucially, we have these opportunities to share our knowledge, share our learning, help to solve each other's problems, because we're all on very, very similar journeys.